You may be interested to find out how many people are currently employed in a specific industry and what the projected employment outlook is for that industry. To do that, you can click on the Industry tab. On this page, you'll see in the blue bars, current employment, and the green bars, projected employment. If you're interested in looking at a specific industry, you can use this industry filter, and you can click this down arrow to either scroll through this list or use the search bar by searching by a specific industry name or NAICS code. Let's look at healthcare. You'll see that there's approximately 1.7 million people who are currently employed in 2022 in healthcare and social assistance, and it's projected to grow to about 1.9 million in 2030. For both the industry and occupation pages, there are multiple different location types that you can view this data. For industry, you can look at state, workforce development area, metropolitan statistical area, or county. By clicking on one of these options, you'll see that the graph changes, and you can also select the specific metro that you're interested in. And not only does the graph change to show you the current employment for that metro, but the North Star data on the left-hand side will also adjust for that metro.